Hey students, welcome back from spring break. We're going to start learning about circles today, and to do so, I'm going to ask you to do something for me. I want you to find something in your house that has a circular component to it. So for example, this can of chilies, I could use the circular top. Another example would be this bowl. I could use the circular top of the bowl. Or this dressing, I could use the top. You're going to be more accurate with this if you use a larger item. So I'm going to use this big giant container of coffee. And what I want you to do is measure around the circle, which is called the circumference. And I would like you, if you have a measuring tape like the one I have that's flexible, you could use that. If you don't, you could use a piece of string and then measure it using a ruler. And I want you to measure using centimeters. So this measuring tape has both inches and centimeters. And I want you to use centimeters because then it's easier for us to use decimals. So I'm going to measure around this circular top. And I can see that it's between 51 and 52 centimeters right here. And it looks like it's 51 centimeters and then 2 millimeters. So I'm going to call that 51.2 centimeters. And I'm going to record that as the circumference of this item. And then I'm going to take the top off so that I can get all the way across the base of this. I'm going to measure the diameter of this coffee as well. And I'm going to make sure that I have my measuring tape all the way to the end, and then I'm going to look for the largest possible measurement. I don't want to just go across a piece of the circle. I want to go all the way through the center, and it looks like here I have about 16.4 centimeters. So I'm going to record that in a spreadsheet, and you're going to find that spreadsheet on Google Classroom. I would like you to pick something in your house to measure both around the item or the circumference and across the item, which is the diameter, and I'd like you to go ahead and record that in the spreadsheet. Then I want you to watch the video from YouTube that I've posted, and I want you, after you watch that video, to look back at your numbers, and you'll see on the spreadsheet that it has calculated for you the circumference divided by the diameter. And after watching the video, I want you to see if you think your measurements are accurate. And if they're not, I want you to try to measure one more time and see if you can get a more accurate measurement. All right, that's it for now. See you later.